front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Now tap on alarm at the top of this section on the left, and before doing anything, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings, scroll and manage all of those options under Alarms however you wish to. Then go back and to create new alarm, hit this plus icon. Set up an hour and hit OK in Select Time pop-up. Now you can adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top you can name it. And hit OK to save its name. Pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. To turn off or on your alarm, operate switcher right next to it. And to exclude some specific dates, click on this plus next to pause alarm and pick them. Then hit OK to save them. And when you don't need them anymore, this little button to remove them. Now click on bell icon. Log in to one of your sound platforms like YouTube Music or Spotify to use music from it. Hit Sounds to tap on Add New and pick any song from your device to set it up, or simply pick one of those. Go back. Click on this plus icon next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. And when you're ready to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To edit your alarm, tap on the same corner and make your changes. To get rid of it, tap on Delete button at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!